Good day, investors. Welcome to the 25th of November 2014 Money Market Review. The trade for today is called MTN. Code is MTN. Last traded price was 226 Rand and 64 cents. The action is to do a buy or long, so the objective is to buy from a low level to a high level. The entry level will be 226 Rand and 56 cents on the blue line here. To go to a target on the green line of 239 Rand and 72 cents. The stop loss to be used on this trade is on the red line of 219 Rand and 98 cents. Looking at the open trade still, Shoprite and RMI still in open trades. Closed trades, Sanlam was closed on the 24th of November and Old Mutual also closed on the 24th of November. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE and the blue line is the index movement. As you can see, the index is currently trading above the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials of the US markets, they closed about 7 points positive on Monday evening. And you can see it's close to this blue line here, still in a positive trend and still breaking new highs on a daily basis with the S&P 500. Currently, the futures are still very flat, a bit negative, about 12-15 points. Looking at the J200, that is the top 40 index, and as you can see as well, they are testing this top here of my Fibonacci on this double top here, 1, 2, 3 tops here, coming a bit down, lose a bit of value of 168 points yesterday. But look at this, they're still trading above the green and the red Bollinger Band, and it's on the top there. So the big question is, will it be a rise happening or a bit of a high coming a bit down on a bit of profit taking that happened on Friday? But the markets are totally uncertain, the volumes looks a bit lower as well. Looking at your Shoprite shares, they also stabilize on the top share of 170 Rand, currently trading at 169, still trading above the green of the Bollinger Bands. Looking at your Mr. Prices, came down from the previous record high, still coming down, forming a top. So you're going to see the index is high, Shoprite was high, and Mr. Price is also high on these current tops here. The same with Woolies, also on this high on the top here. Bounce on the green of the Bollinger Band as well as on the 23.6, went a bit up, but still trading above 80 Rand, currently on 80 Rand 62. So you can see momentum is quiet now. Everybody's looking at the markets on a very close eye. Looking at your banking sector, here's your Barclays Bank, broke the new high yesterday. And this share went up very slowly, about 1 Rand 32, but it's still on a new high, breaking up here between the green and the red in the positive channel upwards here. Standard Bank started to test this previous highs of 140, struggling to break this 140 Rand, sitting at 138.90 at this moment, but still in a positive channel between the green and the red of the Bollinger Bands. A level to watch out very closely could be this 135.65 if it wants to come down and lose a bit of momentum, but it's not happened as yet. Look at this market in a positive way. Yes, your MTNs, and if you look at MTN, they did reach up yesterday. Now they're testing this Fibonacci on 50% of 226 Rand and 60 cents. Currently closed just 4 cents above that level, but it's still trading between the green and the purple on the downward pattern. Now the big question is, can this pattern continue to go down? And if it needs to change, it needs to break this middle Bollinger Band to go physically higher. But keep a close eye on this trade for this downward channel where it can go further on for the next day or two. Looking at Vodacom. Now Vodacom lost a lot of value, especially yesterday after it reached that level of almost 132 Rand, and it's currently trading back at 127.40, coming back to reality where it was after that spike of Friday. So it's still here, the band in the sideways movement. Let's go and look at Imperials. Now Imperials lost a bit of value. They were in that high of about 205, 206. They came down to 202.49. Still in a positive channel here, but no indication as yet. More upswings than downswings. Take note, more upward movements than downward movements. Looking at our CFRs, and CFR is also starting to lose a bit of momentum here. Yesterday they were quite flat. They actually moved about 7 cents up, but still trading between the green and the red. No indication as yet that this one could come down again. But the problem is it's in the downward cycle here. We need to see if this was just a spike, unordinary spike, and actually could come down again, but we will keep it close on the specific trade. Enjoy your trading.